Well, you know, what happens na parang pag-fall out ka sa previous set, na you really wanted to get that, tapos biglang hindi mo nakuha, bumababa yung level of training nyo sa coming set, or sa next set. Looking at the video challenge, unsuccessful challenge by the squad. The point will stick with the Yumi Lady Warriors.
Asa yung gulit dira? Hindi ayan lang.
Make sure that one. Pick up the points as well. She's got 15. What they need.
Yeah. Libreng puntos yun for their opponents.
Bloopers on the side of UE with the substitution. They are also feeling the pressure.
Black na ano lang.
Napapakula na yung substitution. Pumunta na ata sa may
Gamay lang ako.
wala pa yung pamalit yan.
Sa likod.
Hi,
Ted.
Tama,
okay lang siya.
Avoiding the blockers, but that was too much of an angle.
Magkuhan sa likod na buo kayo Enfis.
Has 12 points on her debut. In the Fighting Maroon. Huge 9-point advantage. Candiete with a serve. With a pickup. Just like in the previous set. Panid with the on-pad. And everything going right for the Lady Warriors here at set 4.
Yung approach niya was on point. This approach actually turned to block that ball.
Nasa balay.
Trying to find the right mix. Meanwhile, Coach Shannon has found the players to work with. Monares, number 5, Capistrano, they continues
To chase.
Panayan. Olampo with a set. Then Monares on the cross-court kill.
Much needed point by the UP squad. Alam natin na si Monares talagang target niya or yung strike niya is cross-court. Ang ganda ng angle na yun. Hindi pero malakas yung mga sa good place.
Ano ka
Serving
nakapagod?
22. It's out.
Sayang dahil chance na ng squad yung
Kasi kung magpagupit ba, may ngita ko.
service error.
Basta mapagupitan na ako, yung tanaw na ako, dili na ako
Huwag
ngayon.
yung kalamangan
Ngita na
sa
ako yung
kalaban.
next na yung
They're 2
ano
points
niya
away.
ako. Taan ba yan?
Mag-fly mo dito dahil
Kalumpang ko ang gusto. Mabuhay ka na. Nagkuhan dito.
Unable to send it over.
Ayaw ko biya. Depende naman sa iyong Depende sa iyong request. Hindi lang. Okay lang.
matulaw na mabuot.
Ngunit kung tato pa. Wala na.
For the Lady Warriors.
Bagay man na siya mga bukit. Okay, ano na. Request mo mo. Wala na mga pansin. Dili bagay mo. Oo, pag-aral ka na sa kaso. Pero sa sulod na diya may ano. Ha? Wala kahit pangipit sa taas. Pwede naman i-dikita mo na. Kaya da pa mong nagbaso. Ang ginakumbak. Kung taas di kayo buhok, kailangan na siya. Kanima na kayo. Ang kapanday, ginaipitan nila. Maglabang mo na. Kung taas yung buhok, okay. Ano ako, kailangan mo.
Experiencers like NBA Live 1.5 get a chance to win awesome NBA prizes. Stay tuned to NBA TV Philippines for PTV Pilipinas Live for more chances of winning.
Wapay po niya. Nakulor.
Pero kinain mo ka na.
Back inside the Mall of Age Arena, and the second time today on opening day we are going to set number 5. And this time it will be the UP Fighting Maryland and the UP Lady Warriors in the women's division. Take a look at the highlights in set number 4. The runaway for UP.
Karang buhok niya.
Nung pinakita na ng laro ng third set, and they brought that same energy coming into the fourth set. And it was pretty obvious because ang ganda ng block nila, yung attacks led by
Tama po yung mga
Espada and Bangayan, and even Morales without skill block. But their defense in their first ball, talaga naging aggressive na rin. Mas maganda na yung pwesto nito yung Warriors for that fourth set. And sa UP naman, parang bumaba talaga yung energy nila coming into that fourth set. And looking at the numbers, again, hindi ganun ka nakain yung difference sa attack department with yung only carrying 10 attack points, but they did got 2 block points and 2 service rates. And look at the discrepancy or the difference in the errors with UP only committing 3 errors for that set compared to 11 errors from UP. So, kahit yung mga overball lang, there are a lot of miscommunications, and especially in service area, because that was their chance na makakuha na ng mini run or even long run for their squad. But magkaroon na sila ng chance sa service area na makakumit sila ng error. So the momentum goes
Okay lang
to
pag
UP. And now we're going to the fifth set. So nakalimutan na natin ang nangyari ng first four sets dahil they beat it at tayo this fifth set. So whoever starts the set with a good start and a
Pero sa una sa
finish or doesn't make part pa naman nakita natin yung effect naman ng UP na
Halos na nito yun.
Naisa din ang gusto ng otro
yun
kaso
yung
mga
ginagawa ng UP nung
Kasi nag-upload.
So we welcome you all to the 5th and final set here on One Sports on the UAP Varsity Channel and on Pilipinas Live. And it's going to be UP starting us off with a serve.
Tapos sila, mga tanaw, mga kaswit. Pero yun na yung
Nagkabalik na din siya ako sa
Opening
amin.
arena crowd is ready for set number 5.
Ano man,
Part 2 today.
wala na siya gabaligya. Lagi ayo ba lang balan.
That's right, that's right.
And also to the viewers on Pilipinas Live.
Tapos,
They are cheating to this showdown of the month. A violation to begin for
uy, baan makupas sa atin. Manunamot lang.
to start this match. You're talking about the test. Their health, their positioning. They only have 11 players, but no question their chemistry has been shown all throughout this match.
Maganda nga yung na pinapakita nila. But ang first set, ang bagal eh. Parang pinapakaramdaman pa nila kung anong klaseng laro pwede nila ipakita. Nandito na start din ng UP. But nagtuloy-tuloy na yung maganda nilang game. Talking about UP from the second set until the fourth set. But it is the fifth set. 2 points agad na nakuha nitong UP. 3 na. I think that came from double violation ng mga sets.
So parang nung set 4, pero this time, nalipat.
Oo.
A while ago, UE racked up the points. There are 4 points to start set 4, or all from the errors of UP this time. All 3 points of UP coming from the errors of UP. the youngsters building their character in this match. The likes of Olango, De Leon, Magilibotan who gets the first ball with Pistorino. The setup to Olango, Reyes with a save, back row. Play continues. Boneta with the approach, and the kill.
4-0 to start this fifth set. Courtesy of this good team from UP.
As we get this report from Jessica Ramos from AP. We will go back to Jessica later on as first we listen to this time on. Natin bigulin ang momentum.
Wala na kayo para makabawi pa yung marami.
UA kayo na.
Here for UE as we go this time to Jessica Ramos for this report. Go ahead, Jessica.
From UBIS, yes, hot group within the UP system. They're passion every step of the way. Was there with Yasha journey to the unexpected turn when she transitioned from Spider to a libero. She shared with me at first, I was sad I wouldn't be able to start anymore. But after that, all she wanted to do was become a libero. And now in her second year as UP's libero, she's found a deeper purpose in the game. From Spider's mindset, on libero's part, Yasha is proof that passion is every challenge.
Yung sa din niya.
So yes, Pakistan was
Wala niya gusto di ano ba? Wala niya gusto. Di ba? Ang sabi mo gusto na gusto. Ang nga naman di ako. Tapos kung siya. Ang nga hindi gusto na kayo. Ang wala gusto. Wala niya gusto. Wala sana ang lapas. Mupo na kayo sa taas. Basta wala lagi. Basta ano siya rin. Ano? Mentally absent siya.
Magilibotan.
Ayun na, mahulog na po ano rin, barber na.
This time we go to Althea Random TV for this report. Althea.
Kung nubo ko tayo.
The training for the Navy Warriors after being
Boneta!
and one of the things that he focused most on is the communication of the team. He shared with me that during
Ano ba?
hindi na mamulog sa sita. Pinapatayaan ko sila mag-voice out. That's why I was even na to the year Sepada, Nogalan, and Balik, it wasn't the shots together with him. Because as he said, sila ang nasa loob. Coach Allen highlighted that inside the court, the team will be the one to drive themselves for the win. And with this 5 set, their will be tested. Watch the game on any device in the Philippines or abroad on the Filipinas Live app. Download and subscribe now. Now back to you, Dylan Manay.
Thank you, Althea, for that report. Alright, so they are enjoy earlier than we saw. There's someone disappeared here in set number 5.
UP is still up by 5 points for this set.
Kasi ganahan akong gupit mo guys, kung pag-gupit mo, bakit pala mag-ulan.
Maligit, picked up.
Mga tao sa ulan ko,
Morales.
kita na po.
Down it goes for her 17th point.
Ako aminado ko.
Open block for Morales. Guaranteed na yung paso tayo na crossbar. She can look at that again.
Too fast for Reyes as we go to the court switch to the Fighting Maroons up by 6.
Ano sa taas, dream lang
What
ni
will
Gab.
be key here for the Lady Warriors to make
Tapos lang sa gilay
another run if they have something left in their tank.
Nagawa na nila yun sa mga previous sets. They focus on their serve and block. Dahil nabantay nila yung, ang ganda ng serve nila at susundan nila ng magandang block. Kahit ma-check man yung bola, mapabagal lang natin sa side nila. Mas sila nakakuha ng runs. But this time with a 6-point advantage for this fifth set. This is a tough one to climb for UE. Lalo na maganda yung pinapakitang laro and body language itong UP, which means hindi sila masyadong napipressure ngayon. Dahil ang hindi ganun katindi yung start ng UE. They started with 3 consecutive errors. So medyo sila yung napipressure na yun na makahabol sa puntos nitong UP.
Good serve there. Down by 5 for the Lady Warriors. Trying to chip it. Cepeda, set back. Itang from the rejection.
Of course, Ika, a very reliable middle blocker for a UP.
Itang and Onango working hard for the defensive block brought to you by AIA. Rethink Healthy with AIA. Onango has 4 blocks out of her 15 points. That is nothing for Bayan, and they will call a challenge. So UE calling for a challenge here as Bayan went for the attack.
Yeah.
Initially called out, but saying that she saw it went in.
Minsan pag nakikita natin na outside or malaki yung lamang ng bola sa outside, pero pag may kumain sa sideline, it will be called inside and take a look at that. Challenge is successful for UE. The point will go to them.
A good challenge there. Bayan will be the one to serve. The official score 4-9. And a good serve. Onango waits for it. Straight to Reyes. Cepeda. Yes! 21 points for Kai Cepeda.
This is a strong front throw for UE with Kai Cepeda in the open and Nogales in the middle.
Cepeda and Bayan, the ones keeping them in this game with 21 and 17 respectively. Timeouts for UP.
Same energy, same aggression. Taas mo na! Habang natin to. Dalawa sa tignan na. Ate tayo, Ben!
Timeout called by the Fighting Maroons. You can see, well, you heard the players speak vocal in that huddle. Right now, 3 of their top 3 scorers are on the floor. Morales with 17, Onango with 15, and Aguineta with 11. Who will they go to?
Oh, chance for UE.
See here, Cepeda. Steady save coming from Capistrano. Maliit the save. Kai again on the off speed. They go to Kian. Popped up by Van. Same for Aguineta. And another chance.
Second chance ball for UE.
Galia to Nogales. Wala pa rin. Morales. No. Chance for short. Nabitin.
Napitin, but that was the third chance ball from UP. It's a set. Usually medyo minsan lang tayo nakita ng free ball, especially sa fifth set. But that was three chance ball from the UP side na hindi na-convert ng UP.
The lead is only down to just 3. Can they get a check? Can they get a save? Fine from the back. Chance for the 1-2.
Cepeda was there.
Led by UE. Aguineta points to the outside. Saved by Bayan Cepeda. And kept alive. It's
na nakuha ng panalo at nakadikit sa damang ng UP. We started at 4-0 ng 5th set, but now UP, dalawa na lang yung puntos na inaalagaan. 2 points na lang kailangan mabulin ng UP.
The magic number that for them has been the 4-0 run.
That's right.
4 straight points once again for UE. Can they make it 5? Not yet. Oh, and there with the pancake save.
That's right.
And Barayan with a reflex. Wow. Having the last say in that sequence, and they are now at a 3-point mark. 5 points away from winning their first game in season 87. And not yet done. The pride of Capcom Cebu was initially sad with how things transpired in the offseason, but they are motivated, she says.
Hindi ganun katangkad na spiker si Sepata. But grabe siya tumalon and yung taas nung reach niya sa bola, doon niya binabawi. Take a look at that.
Magaling pops it up. Aboneta waits for it. Chance for the white shirts. Tekaya goes. Sepata and Pamulagan went after that ball. Lauchenko. Yes! The rookie. With her moment here, set number 5. It's a ball by Yui.
Anak sa baba na ito. Ada adlan. Tugasan ko pakaan. Ada adlan. Gina-direct naman, ginapuno pa. Wala ko dyan.
No substitution for this set, so for sure he wants to have 3 frontliners to focus on the block.
Full front line, the stunners are back on the floor in Jazz and Kia.
Okay, ano.
But look at Ekanya. Very joined the
Mauna
scoring
na yun.
party.
Aray ko doon.
Once you play
Kaning nilang box niya mo sa sulod. Ay, kaning nilang ko lang. Nalaglabaw ko.
Andun na yung libero, really waiting for a drop.
Kung sa'yo mong gusto na mangyari ka, bigyan or complete lang na ito.
Drop ball to the end part of the defense.
This will be the long
Tulaw siguro ka no.
3 points.
Tulaw ka.
Race to 3 points for UP. Especially with how UE is defending.
Taong kasi.
The push. They go to Hawaneta. Yes, with the save. And back with UP. Olango tries.
kuan dire lang pa ako na isang minute pa. Kuno lang naman sa kuno.
Aponeta, once more.
Kuan man na magmasa siguro pag mga tinapay. No.
Hindi rin naman ito.
Pwede.
It's not playable.
Ito naman isa pang din 24 hours day na.
Kasi klaseng tinapay na na.
Kapag tamis ko pagka
Failures of that sequence gets the point.
Much needed point for UP. Grabe ka. Kaya nakalakas yung mga bolang pinapakawala ng mga spikers in a
Forever
delivery
matanggal siya.
to the libero of UE with Angel
Oo,
Reyes.
na. Ako yung mga service di ko.
With their attacker.
Una kay reliever.
Open kick with the cross court shot.
Wala po. Yung sa
Oo.
Daisy Paligid.
Ulo natin.
Take a look at that. Malinis.
This defensive block is brought to you by AIA Rethink Healthy. With AIA, UE only down by 2 points.
duty pagkakaroon.
Pagmala rin sa bahay
They
ng
can get it. Contested at service line. It is through. Olazo in the middle. Look at this. Shakes it. They transfer to Monares.
Napakay service ko.
Via Canela Paligid with a save.
Napakay sa Diyos siya.
Attack there. Oh, Monares.
Outside. It's outside. What attempt by Monares. Take a look at that. That point inside, right behind the blockers. The point will go to them.
Papugan yung
Yun ang question of defense ng UE.
it is oil.
Stop here by UP.
Nasa kan ba? Witness oil. Kung saan na gin? Oil. Oh, yung si Mount Gin. Hindi ko ganahan gin. Ayun na. Ulit na mag-ulit. Baligyan. Saan ako daw sudlangan?
Para sa buhok.
Maroons.
Ayan na. Yun lang.
What has been an unpredictable match so far. The first two sets, UP will indicate sets, but they've showed. It's far from over.
Let's run with Cañete with the top of the net getting a service. 8 scoreless instant at number 13.
Eh, malam mo na mag-trip ako sa kuhaan man ka na ako, diba?
For everyone's sensitive skin.
Ano yung
But UP responds
yung pangalan? Bro, yung feel ko na. Alam nga, para pag nagbalik ka dito.
Coming from Sanchez. Gonzalez was there in front of her. He saw that
Gusto ko, nagtawag ko sa inyo mga ano.
getting that point.
Silent. 2 points. The most important for Celis.
Salamat
Good
yung
first ball. Ecalia back sets to Bangayan. Had to use her offhand. Diaz will set up the play. Morales for it in. Ecalia. And another chance for the Fighting Maroons. They go down.
Wala ganun.
That's a tie. That was a 2 consecutive points from UP. What a success. Take a look at that hit by Ita. Gusto na niya tapusin na lang. That was a chance for their squad. Good defense, back to the center, and of course Ita, one of their leading scorers. About UP squad. Sinil ka lang sa kanya. Isa ka na lang sila na nagalit sa front. And Ita got that quick finish and a finish. That's I think UP's first win for this
Yung cellphone na mabili.
A match between these two teams. The UP Fighting Maroons and the UE Lady Warriors take a bow because they gave us a great show.
Yes, definitely. And a lot of us were concerned about yung konti nga lang yung lineup nila. And madami silang mga key players na nawala. But we did mention that there are still a lot of veterans in their squad. And those veterans